Hello everyone, I am Sophia Esliedo and I would like to introduce how the core values of the Naxian applies by the youth. As Naxians, the youth starts with integrity and truthfulness in everything they do. They stay honest and fair, which earns the trust of people around them. They also practice discipline and responsibility by following rules and finishing their tasks well. This shows when they join cleanup drives, tree planting, and other helpful community activities. They keep learning new things and strive for excellence to improve their knowledge and skills. They use what they learn in school to help solve small but real problems in their neighborhoods. Being active participants, they volunteer in feeding programs, relief work, and local youth groups. They work well with neighbors and leaders to promote peace, orders, and unity. Guided by strong moral and spiritual values, they serve others with kindness and respect. By living out these values every day, they truly make a meaningful and positive impact on their community. They also inspired other young people to do the same good deeds instead of staying idle, whether it is sharing health tips or lending a hand during emergencies. They show genuine care. They respect local traditions and culture, helping keep their community's identity alive. They listen closely to the needs of others and speak up for what is right and just. Every small effort they give builds up to lasting progress for everyone. In this way, they prove that being a good Naxian means being a helpful and responsible citizen. All over the core values of Naxian guide young people to become responsible, active, and compassionate member of society. But the main core values are N stands for nurture your vision, A stands for act on your dream, and lastly, C stands